TK. I am back here for some math. Burr and I are ready to get started. So let's begin with our objective. Objective is what we are going to learn. I can trace, write, and show 4. So here we are working on 4 today. And as you can see, I don't have our screen since I'm at my apartment classroom and not in our classroom at school. So I drew what your paper looks right up here on our whiteboard. So let's talk about what skills we are going to need to help us with our objective today. And I've got our skills right here. So let's think. We need to be tracing, writing, and showing the number 4. So I think we are going to need our hands. Definitely going to need our hands to be able to write. I also think we're going to need our brain to think about number 4, which is 1 more than 3, which we worked on yesterday. And I think that's it. So I'm going to put this right here down next to me so it can be reminded what we're going to need today. And let's go ahead and get started. So just like always, step 1, I'm going to write my name. I'm going to write Miss O. Oh, right at the top of my paper. That's our step 1. My next step is to trace our 4s. I wrote mine here. Hopefully you can see them. Now here's a rhyme we can use to write number 4. It goes like this. Short line down to the right some more. Top to bottom I wrote a 4. So as you can see, I'm starting with the short line of the 4. So short line down. Then I'm going to go to the right some more. Top to bottom, I wrote a 4. So I'm going to keep going. Short line down to the right some more. Top to bottom, I wrote a 4. Now you'll keep going all the way across your line there with tracing. Let's move on to our next step though. That was our step 2. Step 3, I'm going to write it by myself. So just like I was doing before, I'm starting at the top here. Short line down to about the dotted line. To the right some more, back to the top, top to bottom, I wrote a 4. And let's keep going. Short line down, there we go to the dotted line, to the right some more, top to bottom, I wrote a 4. So you can keep going using that rhyme to help you go all the way across the line. But let's move on to our step 4 here. We need to look at our box. Now today we're going to be drawing 4 things. And since it is Miss Ava's birthday, I thought that I could draw 4 birthday balloons. I know that Ava's turning 5, but since we're working on number 4, I'm going to draw 4 balloons for Miss Ava. And I'll make sure that they say 5 on them. So here's 1 birthday balloon. 5 for Miss Ava. Here's another birthday balloon. 5 for Miss Ava. Another birthday balloon. 5 for Miss Ava. And the last one, and I think in this one we'll write her name. There we go. So let's count our balloons here. 1, 2, 3, 4 birthday balloons. And they say 5, and they say Ava. Now, our next step, we need to find the number 4 on our number line. Our number line. So we're going to look for the number 4. Here we have 0, and let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's 1 more line over than yesterday because 4 is 1 bigger than 3. And I'm drawing my dot right on the line here. Make sure you guys are drawing your dot right on that line that's above the 4. And now we can move on to our last step, our 10 frames. Now today we're going to need to do 4 boxes in our 10 frame. Here's our first one. This is our 1 box. Remember, we always start at the top left box when we're doing 10 frames. So there's 1. Here's our next box. There's 2. And here's what we did yesterday. Yesterday we did our 3 box. 3. And since we're working on 4 today, we need to do 1 more box because 4 is 1 bigger than 3. So here we go. Here is number 4. The 4th box in our 10 frame. one more than we did yesterday. And I'm going to color it all in. You guys have been doing such a good job with your neat coloring. Much better than I'm doing right now. And you've been picking such fun colors. I love to see that. And there you have it. There is our 4-page in our number study book. Keep up the good work, you guys. I'm so proud of everything that you're doing. And I will see you back here tomorrow.